This is really about how sometimes you can get in a rut and you don't think about a problem. You think about a problem in a standard way and you think you get kind of locked in. And so I ran into this recently, and it was something about ordering the pages, creating, changing, sorting something, but not using any algorithm, right? Like we have this notion of sorting that it's sort of natural, whereas really sorting is sort of always a construct. Like if I sort some people by alphabetical order, there's nothing implicitly interesting about, or like no natural order to that thing because the alphabet's like whatever order somebody came up with like 10, 3,000 years ago, right? Maybe numerical ordering makes sense, but the reason you do it, like, are you sorting by size? Are you sorting by weight? Are you sorting by age? The percentage of iron in it, right? Those have particular uses, but the notion of numerical sorting itself is just like, sure, but the number only means something within the context of something else. But anyway, so I guess what I'm saying is, in some situations, there's no such thing as a right place. The right place is the order or the place you want it to be in. And so this kind of mind block that order is a natural thing actually caused me to blow like an extra hour or two the other night on a programming problem. And then finally, I realized that order is arbitrary. Like we can have a mathematical rule about it, or we can have alphabetical, which is a lexical rule about it, or we can do something else. But sometimes there's just an order, like for some reason, because like the assembly order actually is a really good example. What's the order of parts go in? That's actually a sorted thing. And it's kind of by how they all interact with each other, but it might take into account the tool you're using. So there might not actually be a way to algorithmically figure out the order of the parts you're going to put on an engine. Right? You do it by the order in the book because somebody figured out that was the easiest way. So that is a sort order for instructions that is not, not a natural order.